So are you someone currently working in the housing sector that would like to develop your career and move forward? Or are you someone who's thinking of an alternative career or looking at your options? Then this could be the course for you. Hello and welcome to Northern Regional College. My name is Dr. Karen McCambridge and I'm the Manager for Health and Social Care with responsibility for housing practice courses. I want to tell you about an exciting new course that we have on offer this year, the Foundation Degree in Housing Practice, which is validated by the Open University and supported by the Chartered Institute of Housing. This course has been developed in response to a desire for future progression opportunities for students and for those working in the housing sector. This course is 3 years part-time and offered at our Newton Abbey campus. This course is designed and delivered by housing sector experts, and the sorts of topics that you could be covering will be health and housing, law, policy and ethics, effective communication, to name but a few. If this sounds like a course for you, the entry requirements are a minimum of 5 GCSEs at grade C or above to include English and Maths, and for UCAS 48 points at level 3 qualifications. So that could be a BTEC extended diploma, could be A-levels. If you're interested and want to find out more about the course, then please look at our website, and we would look forward to welcoming you to Northern Regional College.